So, I finally hit the mark of 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. It might look like a small thing, but it's a giant milestone for me. I never in million years would have imagined that one day I will have this number. I mean seriously, but you never know. So, I made this little artwork, car refers to my YouTube journey and all of that, and this hot air balloon refers to your love and support. And alongside this artwork, I even scrolled past each and every awesome comment of yours. I'm really sorry if I missed any of your comment, but after all, there is one thing I wanna say is, thank you so much. First, I would like to thank my family for supporting me out. My mom, she helped me a lot, even though she is not interested in Photoshop and all that, but she still watched every single video of mine to help me complete my watch time. So, thank you, Mom. Then I would like to thank my brother because he is the one who downloaded Photoshop for me. Taught me a lot about Photoshop, gave me so many ideas, even he is my first subscriber. I mean, he has done so much for me, so thank you so much, brother. And the next person I would thank is my brother's wife. Wonderful lady, she helped me a lot, gave me tons of ideas, she watched every single video of mine just to help me complete my watch time. Yeah guys, I am not monetized on YouTube yet because you guys don't watch the video till the end. Whatever the reason is, I don't care, but what I care about right now is thanking everyone who supported me throughout my journey, so thank you, my brother's wife. And lastly, I would like to thank every single one of you for helping me a lot because these 10,000 subscribers are not my family, it is you guys. Could never have done this without you. Thank you a lot, you guys. Thank you so much. I love y'all. Now, I think I am talking a lot, so just enjoy the video. Well, I'm really sorry, because I was only able to show the comments of 3 months. I know, I missed hundreds of other comments, but the video is about to end. So this is the end of today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did creating it. I love you all, take care and stay safe.